Welcome to Happy Fasting Fun. Today, we're embarking on a delightful journey that combines the joys of fasting with the beauty of eco-friendly picnics. Join us as we explore the wonderful world of fasting and eco-friendly picnics. Picnics are a wonderful way to connect with nature, savor delicious meals, and when combined with fasting, they offer a unique opportunity to practice conscious living while enjoying the great outdoors. When planning an eco-friendly fasting picnic, the key is to prioritize sustainable practices every step of the way. Start by choosing a location close to nature, such as a park, beach, or forest. This way, you can enjoy the serenity of your surroundings while minimizing the need for transportation. Packaging plays a crucial role in eco-friendly picnics. Opt for reusable containers, stainless steel lunchboxes, and cloth napkins instead of disposable options. Bring along your own reusable cutlery, plates, and cups to avoid single-use plastic items. These choices not only reduce waste but also add a touch of elegance to your picnic setup. Embrace the beauty of seasonal and locally sourced foods. Choose fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains that are in season and available from local farmers. Not only do local foods have a smaller carbon footprint, but they also support your community's economy. Fasting-friendly picnics can feature a variety of dishes that don't require cooking. Think about preparing colorful salads, hummus with veggie sticks, fresh fruit platters, and nutrient-rich energy bars. These options not only complement your fasting goals, but also promote a sustainable and healthy lifestyle. Hydration is key during fasting hours, so bring along reusable water bottles filled with fresh water or infused with herbs and fruits. If you prefer warm beverages, consider carrying a thermos with herbal teas. By avoiding single-use plastic bottles and cups, you're minimizing plastic waste and reducing the demand for fossil fuels. As you break your fast, consider enjoying a plant-based meal that nourishes both your body and the planet. Whole grains, legumes, and a variety of colorful vegetables can form the foundation of your picnic feast. These choices are not only sustainable, but also provide essential nutrients to fuel your body. Don't forget to bring a trash bag to collect any waste generated during your picnic. Remember to dispose of waste properly and recycle items that can be recycled. Leave the picnic area as pristine as you found it, honoring the beauty of nature. Eco-friendly picnics can also include activities that connect you with the environment. Engage in mindful walks, meditate under the open sky, or simply sit in stillness and appreciate the natural world around you. This holistic approach to picnicking aligns with the essence of fasting, promoting well-being of both body and soul. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Happy Fasting Fun. As you embrace eco-friendly practices during your fasting picnics, you're creating a beautiful harmony between your health and the environment. Let's continue to explore how our choices can contribute to a greener and more vibrant planet.